Efforts to divvy up billions of dollars in COVID-19 relief continue today in Richmond. But local lawmakers are divided on how much money should be spent and then where it should go. 10 News reporter Annie Schroeder shows us the changes that some legislators would like to see.
Delegates and senators got right to work this afternoon here in Richmond, discussing changes and proposals on how Virginia could spend billions of dollars in COVID relief. But as Democrats remain in control here in Richmond, some Republican lawmakers want more of a say on how that money could get spent.
Day two of what is expected to be at least a week-long special session in Richmond hosted several proposed changes on how federal COVID relief gets divided in Virginia.
I think there's some things on the table for Southwest Virginia that will really help our area.
Democrats are standing by proposals already presented by Governor Ralph Northam. Some of the big ticket items include $862 million to replenish the Unemployment Trust Fund, $485 million toward behavioral health, and $700 million to help achieve universal broadband by 2024, something Roanoke delegate Sam Rasool says is a long time coming.
Broadband accessibility is two things. It's infrastructure and affordability. So we need to increase competition to have affordability, but then also build out more infrastructure to ensure everyone has access.
$250 million is proposed for school modernization. Newly elected Republican Senator Travis Hackworth, who represents part of the New River Valley, says he and his colleagues would like to see more.
Southwest Virginia has long been overlooked for these schools. We was wanting to see more latitude given to the localities.
Hackworth is also advocating for more money benefiting local law enforcement.
To actually increase the $1,000 bonus that he had in there for the sheriff's deputies and the regional jail officers to $5,000.
And as Democrats remain in control of the House and the Senate, it's unclear if any proposed changes by Republicans will get added to the budget bill.
For us is making sure that we've got funding for some of our health care needs, our education, ensuring that our schools are up and running, ready to go this fall.
Now, millions of dollars of this funding could go toward helping communities reduce gun violence. Coming up on 10 News at 6, we'll show you why one advocate says the money may not be enough. In Richmond tonight, Annie Schroeder, 10 News, working for you.